for you, and I'm gonna explain this question in two ways. So the first way of solving this question is we can just cube the both sides of the first equation. So if we do that, what we are going to get will be x to the 6 is equal to 9, y to the 9. And after that, as you can see, we can just use the method of substitution. So instead of y to the 9, we can just plug in x to the 6. So it's gonna be x to the 3z will equal what? X to the 6th power, right? And as you know from the rules of radicals and exponents, when the bases are the same, in that case we can just eliminate the bases. Okay, so we can continue with what we have, what is left. So that is 3z is equal to 6, and if we solve for z, it's gonna give us 2, which corresponds to answer choice D. Now the second way of doing this is what we can do, and I know the second way is a little bit complicated, but it works as well. So what we can do here is that, as you can see, it says if x to the 2 is equal to y to the 3rd power, for what value of z does x to the 3z is equal to y to the 9. So if we have been given like this, and x to the 2 is equal to y to the 3, we don't pay attention to the bases. So the power value of y to the x value to the power value of x, I mean the ratio of them, which is 3 to the 2, as you can see, is equal to 1.5. Now we can do the same thing here, right? So that is x to the 3z is equal to y to the 9. Now again, we don't pay attention to the bases, so y to the 3z will must also be the same thing, so it must be 1.5. so 3z is equal to 1.5, right? And from here we can understand that z will give us 2, so we get the same answer, which corresponds to answer choice D. That's it. That's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching.